Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are heading over to Cowboys Customs with Lane, and we are gonna go pick up the frame. We're gonna assemble it, get it all ready, and pick it up, load it up into the trailer, and we've got a bunch of other stuff loaded into the trailer to take over to him. So we've got the cab, the bed, let me flip around here, wheels, all that good stuff. As you can see, pretty much a full trailer of things we need to take over there. We'll be dropping this off today, the cab, and yeah, picking up the frame. Let's get rolling. But before we head over to Lane's, I'd love it if you guys would just take a second, smash that subscribe button, comment down below what's cool about the truck, what's your favorite truck, what do you want to see us do, all that good stuff. Love to hear from you guys in the comments. But anyway, let's go ahead and head on over. All right, we just got over here to Cowboys Customs. Let's go inside and check out this frame. Woo, he's busy. Got semi-hoods for days. Just painted that one yesterday. Said he was getting 2 more dropped off. But here we go. Here's the frame. There's the rear end. Oh, look. Look at that. For the final installation, but otherwise we can get the car up. Z-car. That's my type of channel right there. I'm digging that. We decided we're gonna start off with the rear end. We're gonna go ahead and get this rear end all put together, brakes, wheels, tires, and all the little components that we're gonna need to get this back under its rolling on its own. And then we'll come over here and just install it. It should be pretty quick and easy. We got the shocks, the wishbone, and the lower, I'm gonna call it 4-link, but it's actually just a 3-link. The lower links to get that all put in. We'll put the Heim joints in, all that good stuff, and
back in that bag again. Whoa, yeah. Hey. Back in that, yeah. Tell them to watch it. Now I ain't talking my pockets, just know we ain't running out the way that we stock it. If I got it, you got it. If I call it, she slide and tell her to mop it. Yeah, I got that shit doing. Damn, she took that thing off and bring it around. Going at it till I'm on. Put that 90 in a hole, I'm beating it down. I'm back in that bag again. Whoa. Oh, say less. I'm back in that bag again. Yeah. Oh, say less. I'm back in that. Yeah. What you doing? Yeah. I'm back in that. Hey, where you going? Hey, back in that bag again. Don't bring me around your friends. You know that I'm bagging them. Request me on Facebook, no, I ain't adding them. Positions I had her in. Hit from the back, that pussy was splattering. Calling her friend, tell her pull up. Word, let's make it a gathering. They loving I said, baby, nah, I'm addict now, but she loving the splash again. I just be cashing in her buns, just like a wedding, I'm crashing in. Hundreds on hundreds, I'm moving and grooving. She wanna cut up, I'ma slash again. Buckets on buckets, I'm switching and dishing. Back in my bag, going back again. I feel like Aladdin, yeah. I'm on the carpet, flying through orbits, ain't doing no talking. Wow. They on my body as soon as I walk in, bitches be stalking. They loving the drip, they think I'm a force, it gotta move cautious. Back in my duffel, I'm working a double like I'm in the office. Tell them to watch it, now I ain't talking my pockets, just know we ain't running out the way that we stock it. If I got it, you got it. If I call it, she slide and tell her to mop it. Yeah, I got that shit doing. Damn, she took that thing off and bring it around. Going at it till I'm on. Put that 90 in a hole, I'm beating it down. I'm back in that bag again. Whoa. Oh, say less. I'm back in that bag again. Yeah. Oh, say less. I'm back in that.
everything looks good. I am super happy with the lower end bracket that we did on the rear end. Everything is lining up well. Everything is fitting and good to go. So now I am going to jump on the front end. I'm kind of missing some of the recording because I actually have to pull my phone off the stand and go back through the videos to remember how all the pieces went. Especially with the rear end, it's got a bunch of spacers and different bolts and little bushings and things like that. So I went back through the video and seen where things were supposed to go. So I'm gonna try to catch as much footage as I can while still looking back through my old footage and finding this stuff out, and then remember to set the camera back up. So anyway, let's jump on the front end.
Yeah, what you doing? Yeah, I'm back in that. Hey, where you going? And you should know that we on this forever. You don't know me well, just ask again. And you should know that I'm with all the fuckery. Why you sit down and just watch the film? And you should know that Khan got a bottle of Don, feeling like Julio, pass it in. Mine on some M's, going in. Back in that bag where I'm going again. I'm dunking on them, just lower the rim. Free my niggas, it's all in a pen. I hit it once, I'ma hit it again. If she with me, you know she a 10. If she a Barbie, you know I'm a Ken.
Rolling some dope and sipping some gin. It's always been nuts, it never was dim. Back in my bag, they know it's a gym.
Tell them to watch it. Now I ain't talking my pockets. Just know we ain't running out the way that we stock it. If I got it, you got it. If I call it, she slide and tell her to mop it. Yeah, I got that shit doing. Then she took that thing off and bring it around. Going at it till I'm on. Put that 90 in a hole, I'm beating it down. I'm back in that bag again. Whoa, whoa. Oh, say less. I'm back in that bag again. Yeah, yeah. Oh, say less. I'm back in that. Yeah. What you doing? Yeah, yeah. I'm back in that. Hey, where you going? Hey.
Yeah. Grease the shaft. Alright, so we are all loaded up. Everything's good to go in the trailer. We've got the cab dropped off. Everything's ready to go for Lane. We put it on this cool little stand. Should be good to go. So, appreciate y'all watching. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. We'll see y'all later.